One of the more unique pieces in the Viper lineup is the Barracuda 2600. The Barracuda 2600 operates as a wide area vacuum for those open hallways, but also has the ability to tuck in tight corners and pick up that debris right along the wall or in a hard to reach spot. The Barracuda operates like an upright, putting the canister in your hands, allowing you to work in lawnmower forward and backward motion, and still giving you a wide 26-inch cleaning path for the floor. The beauty of the vac head is that the solid head incorporates a 26-inch brush, but with a nose out to the side. And that side area allows us to tuck around the planter, around the register, around the obstruction on the floor or the furniture itself. The upper body housing is made of rotationally molded plastic with a long 12-year guarantee, but lets the operator work in comfort with a very easy piece to understand. The comfort starts with the fact that the weight of the upright housing does not rest in the operator's arm, but rather rests on its adjustable glide. So operating position here, but also the ability to get under those low spots, credenzas, desk, and other obstructions. Keep the head on the floor, but drop the handle so we can get to virtually any spot. So low, operational position, and again storage. As we adjust the handle, the front head of the unit self-adjusts to the floor so that we stay in contact with the floor at all times. Operation of the Barracuda couldn't be simpler. There is one button. This switch operates both the brush motor as well as the heavy-duty vac motor. Let's take a look at the bottom of the Barracuda. The Barracuda 2600 has a 26-inch wide brush with a completely concealed belt along the right side, as well as a completely sealed brush motor dedicated to the turning of the cylindrical brush. The cylindrical brush revolves at 1200 RPM and channels soil directly to the throat of the vacuum intake. All components are protected by the stainless steel plate, which is both smooth, non-conductive, and easy to glide across the floor. Last but not least, our height adjustments are on roller bars and a channel glide across the bottom of the unit, so we can actually adjust the height of the Barracuda for varying piles of carpet that we find in the market today. As mentioned, dirt is channeled to the intake, comes up through the throat of the head here and into a 2-inch wide vac hose, giving us great cubic feet per minute airflow for the unit. The airflow is very simply moved from the base directly up to an intake and into the bag container in the back. Access to the bag and the vac motor from the back through one simple drop-down motion. The paper bag for the Barracuda not only is surrounded on all three sides by protective metal, but also is easily removed and replaced. Quick, simple operator motion, easy for training, easy for removal, easy for long life. The Barracuda 2600 offers triple filtration of all the debris you pick up from the floor. The first obvious filtration is our bag itself. Secondly, protecting the vac motor is a felt line filter that can be removed and cleaned. And the third stage of filtration for us is an exhaust filtration located at the bottom of the unit. Before any air is expelled, it comes through 3 different filters. The Barracuda 2600 incorporates a circuit breaker that is dedicated specifically to the brush. Should any obstruction impede the brush from rotating, this breaker will pop straight up and reset only after you've been able to clear the obstruction. Safety first. Today's commercial carpet is generally low pile level loop carpeting. But for those specific areas where you have different pile height adjustment, the Barracuda offers 4 different adjustment heights for the operator to use. In summary, the Viper Barracuda 2600 offers the best value for the money in any wide area vac, as well as combining ease of use for the operator in an upright style, wide area function.